I'm sick of bitches bitching, people in the criticism, contradiction in opinion. I'm still living and gotta get in. I tell these insecure hoes, hop off my clit. They couldn't even handle half of this shit. One day in my life, your bitch couldn't do it. 1 minute in, and I swear she stopped and said screw it. I put my mind to it, spit bars and make music. And if it ain't real, you could better see through it. You think it's so tough, flip me off, call me a slut. Last I heard you was giving head up in the truck. Nasty fuck, you a cunt, so shut the fuck up. Bitch, you a bum, I'm about to sweep the floor up. I don't need help, you could go to hell, kill yourself. These girls need to chill out and light up for L. Bitches everywhere trying to send my ass to jail. Chronic, I'm on it and I even got the fish scale. Pussy assholes call pushing way to 8. They buy an 8 to celebrate, we blow a O every day. Smoke ones by the 8, roll me up 28. 1 ounce times 8, wake and bake, blaze all day. Oh, and I probably hate me too, but all these people judging you and walked in my shoes. You think you got it bad, imagine it times 2. I've never once in my life followed these rules. The shit these hoes talk is all whack, some damn a bitch strap.